Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the US dollar Swiss, we got a nice big impulsive move down. We got what I think is very clearly a crescent, a WXY. We got another nice impulsive wave down. Now, because of the US dollar index, I have a hard time believing that the dollar itself is not going to continue to be very bearish, which makes me think that this really is the end of a crescent up here on the daily, and that this really is actually going to make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on trending down. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up. I'm not saying that it's not possible that this does go up again before it actually goes down, but I think there's a very good chance that this is a top. And if that's a top, then it should make a lower high compared to that top. So I would definitely be primarily looking for sorts at the end of pullbacks. It may just keep on doing this. It may go up and make more of a proper looking ABC correction before it goes down. I don't really know exactly how it's going to play out, but I definitely am still primarily looking for sorts in a downtrend at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.